Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to tell you about the Big Bang Theory and its relationship with Quran. In 1927, a scientist George Lemaitre introduced the theory and he named that the Big Bang Theory. In this theory he said that the universe was firstly a primary nebula and about 13.8 billion years ago all the galaxies, stars and sun and the earth came into form through a blast. This blast they call the Big Bang. That's why this theory is called the Big Bang Theory. However, in Quran is mentioned in chapter number 21 verse number 30. أَوَلَمْ يَرَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَنَّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ كَانَتَا رَتْقًا فَفَتَقْنَاهُمَا. Do the non-believers don't know that the skies and land were firstly jointed and we separated them? This theory, the Big Bang Theory, is mentioned in Quran about 1400 years ago, and we came to know about this theory about 90 years ago. Now the question is, who can tell us in Quran? And we all know that the only one who have created this universe can tell us how he created the universe, and that's God. I can explain this to you by this example, that if I bring anything in front of you that you have never seen and I ask you how it's made, then you'll surely say that I don't know, because you have seen that thing first time. And if I ask you who can tell me that how it's made, then you'll answer that the only creator of this thing can tell you how he created this, how he made this. Likewise, the God is the creator of the universe, and only he can tell us how he created, and he told us in Quran. And it's a proof that the Quran is 100% word of God. This was our first video regarding Quran and science, and if you want to watch more, then subscribe our channel on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
नीचे सब्सक्राइब के बटन पे क्लिक करें, बेल के आइकॉन पे क्लिक कीजिए ताकि हर नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए।